Hello children. Today we are going to learn 4-letter words with the help of this 3-letter word. This is ill, ill, ill. And with the help of this word ill, we are going to learn 4-letter words. Okay, let's start. First word is ill. Ill. What is ill? Children, do you know what is the meaning of sick? Like when you are not well, when you are not fit, you are having cold or cough or fever, like that. When what we say that time, that we are sick. So other word for the word sick is ill. We can also say when you are having fever or cold or cough, anything like that, you can say I am ill. Bill. Bill. If we add B to ill, it is bill. Bill. What is bill? Children, when you go for shopping to buy things, the shopkeeper gives you a paper where the price of all the items are written there. That is called bill. Okay? Bill. Now fill. Fill. F. If we add F, it is fill. Ill. Fill. Ill. Fill. For example, I can say you fill the bottle. Gill. G. The sound of G is G. If we add G, it is gill. Gill. Remember children, the sound of G is G. Okay? Gill. Gill. What is gill? Gill is the part of a fish body. Okay? With the help of gill, fish takes in the oxygen. It breathes. Hill. Hill. H. If we add H, it is hill. H. Hill. Hill. What is hill? The mountains are called hill. Like smaller mountains. Those are not big one. Those are called hills. If we add J to ill, it is jill. Jill. J. The sound of J is J. So children, the sound of G is G. And this is gill. And the sound of J is J. And this is jill. Okay? Next. Pill. The sound of P is P. Pill. Pill. P. Ill. Pill. Pill. What is pill? Pill is the tablets, the medicine. Doctor, when you go to doctor, when you are ill, you go to doctor. Doctor gives you some tablets to eat. Yes. So that those tablets are called pill. The other word for tablets is pill. Okay? Will. Next. Will. If we add W to ill, it is will. The sound of W is W. W. Will. 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 What is will, children? Will is the word will we use when we are going to do something in the future. Like we have not done yet, but we are going to do. So for that we use the word will. Like I have given you the work. Now what you will say? I will do my work in the evening, or I will do my homework after I complete watching this video. Yes. With these words, I can remember 2 rhyme which you already know. Do you remember any rhyme with these words? I can help you for that. Do you remember the rhyme Jack and Jill? Yes. And where they went? Jack and Jill, they went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. So see, Jill, hill. And now I remember one more rhyme for the word bill and pill. Do you remember the rhyme? Miss Molly had a dolly. Yes. Who remember that? Who will sing with me? Let's start, okay? Miss Molly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she phoned for the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. So in the place of sick, we can say ill. Yes, ill. Because both meaning same. Miss Molly had a dolly who was ill, ill, ill. So she phoned for the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. And he told Miss Molly put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for the pill, and was back in the morning for his bill. Children, let's do some flashcard reading. Let's revise one more time. This is ill. Now, if I add B to this, it is bill. If I add F, it is fill. Next, if I add G, it is gill. Next, if I add H, it is hill. Now, if I add J, it is jill. Now, if I add K, it is kill. Now, if I add M, it is mill. Now, if I add P, it is pill. Now, if I add T, it is till. And now, if I add W, it is will. Keep practicing.